There's a moment in everyone's life where something inside stirs, a small voice that whispers, "You were made for more." But most people ignore it. They get comfortable. They choose the familiar. They wait for the right time, the perfect plan, the guaranteed answer, but not you. You're here because there's something in you that refuses to settle, something in you that knows you're capable of more than the world has seen. Listen closely. You are not defined by where you started. You are defined by how far you're willing to go. Every struggle you faced, every failure that felt like the end, they weren't walls, they were training grounds. Proof that you're still standing. Proof that you can take a hit and rise again. The world doesn't need perfect people. It needs relentless people. People who show up even when they're tired. People who try again when the door slams shut. People who make their own path when none exists. That's what being unstoppable looks like. Not never falling, but never staying down. Maybe life's been heavy. Maybe you feel behind. Maybe you're questioning whether your dream is even possible. Good. Use it. Turn doubt into discipline. Turn fear into fuel. Turn excuses into action. Because the truth is simple. If you want something you've never had, you have to become someone you've never been. Wake up with purpose. Move with intention. Fight for the life you know you're meant to live. You don't need permission. You don't need approval. You just need to start. And once you start, don't stop. The world may try to slow you down. People may doubt you. Life may test you. But nothing can break a person who refuses to quit. So stand tall. Take the next step. Be the one who keeps going. Be the one who turns impossible into done. This is your time, your fight, your journey. Be hungry. Be relentless. Be unstoppable.